Hey and welcome to my second vlog. I have just been trading a little live for buying option. Now I'm just relaxing myself a little, and I can see on the screen here now. Let's take a look at the screen. I'm currently also making a video for my trading robot. So let's take a look here now. So as you can see here now, we are currently trading, and it's, if we can zoom in so you can see there, it's currently at $72 profit. So that's basically my day. So I'm now making a video about trading with the binary option robot. So as you can understand, that is basically my day. Like I said, I've been trading 1 hour now live. I do that every Monday to Friday basically, and then after sometimes I just start up the robot, make a video about that. The time now it's like 9 in the morning, so almost done with my day already. Sometimes I just let the robots trade while I am out and things. I have also some cryptocurrency robots and things like this. So yeah, by the way, if you want my robots or something like this, if you want to join my trading, you always find the links below the video also. But this vlog is not about that. This is just to follow my life. Basically I just start my day. I drink some coffee just to wake up, take a couple of breads, and then I start my trading live. So I start every day 7 in the morning. If you want to be making money, don't be sleeping till 12, 1 in the day, or sleep in, or think that your 9 to 7 or 9 to 5 job or whatever you have is the only thing. Wake up earlier, join my live sessions, for example, learn how to trade, learn, take all the YouTube videos how to be affiliate. It's always good to do many things. Yeah, that is my suggestion. So today, to be quite frankly, I don't know what I'm going to do today. Probably go out to the shopping soon. We can maybe see some computers there. I'm thinking about buying a new one, by the way. Problem is that you don't buy things in shopping here in Brazil, because typically it's a double price almost of Norway, where I'm coming from. But so I prefer to buy when I'm visiting my home country. But other than that, also we have the option here to buy online. So sometimes I just see what I want in the shopping, and then I buy online after. So but let's see. And probably will eat out today, I think. So but you will follow me in that today, so let's see what to do. But for now I'll just relax, wait this robot be done. I think I'll stop it quite soon now, upload this video, and that's the plan for today. So let's see. So I'm now just walking here around in shopping, and one thing I want to talk with you all about. I've been thinking about a good way now to invest smart, because now is the time to do it, because you have all these meme coins, right? Like PEP and things like this. What you should do is that if you have let's say $1,000 you'd like to invest, right? What you do is that you divide this 1,000 then for, let's say 20. Invest then like $50 into like let's say 20 coins, right? That'd be 1,000. Because then if one of them go up like 200 times or 100, and the rest don't do so well, you still do good. So the smart thing is to invest that way, and that's what I'm doing right now. I try to buy as many of these meme coins as possible, because trust me, one of them will shoot to the sky. So that's my target now, because the halving have just been, and it's a perfect time to buy in right now, because the bull market will start soon, and when it starts, one of these coins, they will fly to the sky. Now I think I'll just walk around, maybe find something to eat, and I don't think there will be any more updates today, because there's nothing special happening today. So I think another day we will probably go and check out a little computer, check out the price for this type of things here. But other than that, I don't think it's something special I think I will do today. So yeah, And for the ones that still have interest, I will trade live tomorrow. So if you have interest to trade the binary option together with me, you have the possibility to do that. I will trade probably from morning tomorrow. I will post out a link and everything about it. You find, by the way, links below the video now if you want to join me there. Also, if you want to use my robot, you can do that. So with that, have an amazing day and see you all later.